in terms of regulation, it seems like PSD2 would be most relevant here. Are financial institutions coming to Akamai to kind of solve challenges around that?
Absolutely. I mean, Akamai has been working with lots of the largest financial institutions in the world for a number of years, and this is one of the things they're now coming to us saying, okay, we've deployed our security solutions, and now we want to sort of scale our delivery systems. And PSD2 and Open Banking is going to be a very interesting challenge on how that scales. The adoption of Open Banking has been debatable in its success at the moment, but it's you can see from the number of apps that are being created that there's a huge potential there, and that huge potential means a huge amount of traffic. And if the ASPSPs aren't fully scoped and scaled, then they could be in a situation where it could impact their end customers. And an example would be, and it's not directly related into PSD2, but the value is still the same. I had to recently buy a new fitness tracker, and that fitness tracker wanted to have NFC on it. So as I'm going through London and pushing my 2-year-old in his pram, it means I don't have to fish out a credit card or whatever. I can just tap and go. Makes it a lot easier. Unfortunately, my bank didn't support it, and neither did any of the other high street banks. So I had to go to a challenger bank. The challenger bank, I sat down on a Sunday afternoon. An hour later, I was online. Everything was good. I had my account, and I then found out that, not only can I use it for my NFC transactions, I can also use it for on my fitness tracker. I can also use it for when I go abroad and take money out, and I get a better rate. I can also use it for transactions, and I get a better rate. So now there's a huge different additional services I'm getting on my Challenge Bank card that I wasn't getting on my High Street Bank. So I'm taking all of those services away from my High Street Bank because they couldn't provide me the connectivity I needed for my killer app. And now this is what could happen if the main ASPSPs don't provide full functionality and full availability for all the TPPs that want to come in, because as those apps become more prominent, as they become more and more compelling, people will expect their high street banks and those financial institutions to be fully and available to them.